If you've ever found yourself staring at the Telegram login screen, struggling to remember your two-step verification password, you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly what to do if you've forgotten your Telegram password, including the most reliable way to get back into your account safely. By the end, you'll understand how Telegram protects your privacy, and you'll know how to regain access to your messages and connections quickly without losing any data. Let's jump right in. First, and it's important to clarify, there's actually no direct way to see or reveal your forgotten Telegram password. Unlike some apps that might store your password in a way you can retrieve, Telegram keeps it securely encrypted for your protection. That means neither you nor anyone else can just look it up. It's locked away to prevent unauthorized access. But don't worry, Telegram gives us a few smart ways to reset it and get back in. If you're completely logged out and you had linked a recovery email to your account, especially when you first set up Telegram's two-step verification, then you're in luck. This is the quickest path to reset your password and restore your account. So open your Telegram app and start by trying to log in using your phone number. Telegram will send you a one-time SMS code, so make sure you have access to your phone. Enter the code to move forward. Now when Telegram prompts you for your two-step verification password, and you realize you can't remember it, look for the Forgot Password option right on the password input screen. This is the key that unlocks our account recovery process. Tap on Forgot Password, and Telegram will immediately reach out to the recovery email you've previously associated with your account. You'll get a message with a recovery code or sometimes a link. Here's a tip: check your email inbox, but also take a quick look at your spam or junk folders just in case. Sometimes these automated messages sneak past filters. Once you locate the email, carefully copy the recovery code and go back to the Telegram app. Paste or enter the code as instructed. Telegram will let you create a new two-step verification password. Choose something strong but memorable this time, maybe using a combination of words that mean something to you or a password manager. That's all there is to it. You've now regained access to your Telegram account with all your chats, media, and contacts still there. The beauty of this process is that it maintains your privacy. Even Telegram can't see your old password, and you don't lose any of your important conversations or files. If you've never set a recovery email or can't access your old email, things can get more complicated, but this method covers you as long as you planned ahead. Remember, having a recovery email linked to your Telegram is just like keeping a spare key in a safe place. It guarantees you won't get locked out for good, and it makes the whole account recovery process so much smoother. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tech tutorial you need help with. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.